My name is Lexy von Diezmann. I'm a first-year Damon Runyon Fellow, and I work at the University of Utah in Salt Lake City. I guess it must have been after my first year of freshman chemistry in undergrad. I was just thinking about what I wanted to do and thinking about what the nature of the world really was, and all I could really see were bonds, and realizing that these things I was writing down on paper actually were what was making up me and the whole world around me. And when you think about something to study, you and the whole world around you, it's pretty satisfying. So I've just stuck with that from there on out. So I'm specifically working on DNA repair, so what breaks down and is the first step in a lot of cancers, and trying to understand how the cell knows to repair things one way or the other. I'm trying to understand the dynamics of a complex that spans chromosomes and decides on the pathway fate of, do we just play it safe and do some conservative repair from one side, or do we actually shuffle things around and recombine, and just trying to peer in as best as I can to understand the dynamic, gooey nature of those signals between chromosomes. With a lot of scientific projects, if they're safe, you kind of know what the answers are going to be. And if you know what the answers are going to be, that's not really much of a question now, is it? But if you're asking something where you have no idea what the answer could even be, or necessarily even what the question is, that's a lot of possibilities. So as young scientists, being told that, hey, you can actually just pursue something because it's interesting even if you don't know where it's going to go, that's the sort of thing that helps you find things like CRISPR, working on some random bacterial system that you could never tie back to human biology, and now maybe we can, edit human genes permanently. There's something in that I think, you have to be young and a little crazy and given enough resources and enough of a push to actually go for it, where that's kind of special.